In this video, I'll show you how to change font size on a Windows 11 computer. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If you love to change the font size on a Windows 11 computer, just click on this, right? Click on the settings, click on the display. Now the font size basically means the text size, right? So click on this. You can come on here, click on the text size. Now from this text size, you're gonna see this, right? So you can just move it. So if you click on this apply, everything would automatically be previewed like this, right? Your whole text, right, with your preferred font, right? So this is basically how you can change font size on a Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next